Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video, and I'm using my hot punch again and a metal die in a heart shape, of course. I punched out circle hearts and I stitched them together with some light pink string trees in the center of these hearts. And but first I cut a circle from the photo and from the pattern paper from the collection Simple Story Happy Hearts, and I used a circle spin and trim to cut 2 circles. I stitched the circle around with some cool symmetries as well, and I placed them in the center of my page, and here I place the circles around the circle, so I'm creating a big flower on my layout, and I think it's a perfect match with the photo. I used some metal dies from earlier sets from the Bramble Fox, and the butterfly and the little leaf. The butterflies I punched them from the Happy Hearts pattern paper from Simple Stories, of course, and the twigs or the little leaves I punched them from white cardstock. The title Everyday Matters. I love that title, and I think it's a really an eye catcher on this layout as well. So here I already selected some die cuts that I want to use for this page, and I made a cluster on the left side of my perspectives and on the photo. And here I made a cluster from the little twigs. These are from Pink Fresh. The curvy leaves, and the other cute little twig is from Bramble Fox, from the Bramble Fox dies. So I think it's looks very great, these white cardstock leaves and twigs in combination with a perspective and the die cut flowers. Here I use glossy accents to glue my perspectives on my projects, and glossy accents helps my perspectives perfect in place on my crafty projects. So here I decorate my page further with some cute little light pink hearts as well, and the butterflies that I punched out with metal die sets from Bramble Fox, of course. Here I made another cluster from the white cardstock leaves and some other die cuts from the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection. Here I made some ink splatters on my page, and I'm using 2 colors of the stress oxide, and the colors that I use are the Kids Flamingo and the Pink Raspberry, and I love the pink ink splatters around my flower that I made with my hot punch. Here I mix gesso with a little bit of water, and I make some white festive splatters. I found some dark pink sewing threads, and I think it's a great idea to add some extra sewing threads to my page, and here I place some extra sewing threads under my clusters. So I hope you enjoy watching my video for today, and I hope that I gave you some great creative ideas to how to use your hard punch and these beautiful and lovely perspectives, of course. So uh, just hop over to the Facebook group from Bramble Fox for more beautiful inspiration with these perspectives. And for now, I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, friends. See you next time. Bye bye.